Hey everybody, Big Poppa here, and I got James the Flame Perez. So James and I have been on the comp circuit for 10 years now. One of the things we cook on a lot of the get-togethers are barbacoa beef cheek tacos. We call them Jaime Grande. We're gonna trim them and season them. Beef cheeks are incredibly tough, but they're incredible once you render them. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna trim a lot of the fat off. We're gonna season them with cash cow and hallelujah. And then we're gonna smoke them for about an hour. Some of the silver screen you want to get off for sure, right?
Yeah, we want to get some of that silver screen off of there.
And some of it we just don't cook.
Yeah, because it doesn't render off. It's just too thick. Once these come out, they're really delicious.
These are going to make the most delicious tacos. And we will be the envy of everybody watching out there with these tacos because they're just delicious. Don't cut all the fat off. Fat's flavor, I've told you 1,000 times, and I never exaggerate. Now what we're going to do, and hit it with some hallelujah. James, you're in charge.
Hallelujah, with a little salt and a little heat.
Really what we're doing is we're getting the sodium, which is really important to building a flavor, and we're getting the savory and umami through the cash cow, which has rendered beef fat, rendered beef stock, alder smoked sea salt, and a couple other goodies that really are a beautiful flavor enhancer. Okay, you're just gonna put them straight on the grater. We're going to put them in a pan. What are you going to do?
They're going to go straight on the grid, right on the grill.
Okay, let's give them. So in about 4.5 hours, we're going to be eating tacos, and you're not. So let's go over here to the drum.
All right.
Got the BPS stainless drum. It's all brand new. It looks beautiful, and we've got the seasoned barbacoa. So James, tell us what we're doing in Spanish here.
Estamos poniendo unos cachetes de res en el tambor de Big Poppa Smokers. El dueño. Le estamos poniendo a 300. Vamos a probar como una hora, hora y media, a ver cómo salen. Estamos buscando temperatura como a 160, 170. Y lo vamos a poner en un secreto del señor Sterling, que va a ser un marinade especial. Va a tener cerveza.
Say night in Spanish.
Hasta luego, mis cachetes. Los acabamos de sacar del asador. A 170 están ahorita. Los cachetitos.
Okay, I'm going to make some fun stuff. Some cumin.
Poquito comino.
Some more cash cow. Let me see how you say that.
Más
Dinero.
dinero con un poquito becerrito.
What's a cow in Spanish?
Becerro.
Okay, great. Then since we didn't have any good red peppers.
Vamos a poner un poquito de chilitos verdes.
Now, did we use the hallelujah bacon yet? Oh yeah, James, and you're gonna sprinkle some garlic in here.
Poquito ajo. Vamos a echarle un poquitos tomatitos para que le dé un poquito con cebollitas, para que le dé un buen saborcito. Luego el número 1 cerveza de la América. Modelo especial.
Jaime Grande Barbacoa.
Ahora sí.
See you in 3 hours, kids.
Están bien buenos los cachetes de res. Los sacamos a 212. Mira que están bien suavecitos. Para los tacos van a estar bien buenos. Bien buenos.
Hey, don't be cheap with the meat, James. Okay, so what we're gonna do first, we're gonna take this fire roasted salsa, and it's hot. You can just tell how deep red it is. That this is not for the timid, right, James?
Nope. Está
Nice
bien
hot
caliente la salsa esa.
Okay, now we're gonna take the avocado. We're
echarle
gonna put
poquito.
some hallelujah on it.
Con jalapeño y poquito
Perfect.
ajo. Poquito de cebollitas con cilantro.
Okay, we got our green onions here. Now maybe just a little bit of crema.
Un poquito de lima para que le dé un saborcito acá en medio. Y no se te olvide el aguacate.
Alrighty, it's looking pretty good.
Faltó el cotija.
I forgot the cotija.
El cotija.
There we go. I knew something was missing. We're busy eating or we'd tell you how delicious they are. Thank you.
Sabrosos. Necesitan que hacerlos. Bien sabrosos.